My name is Riley Zaft. I am the lead hand technician on the agriculture side. I've been with the company for 12 years. My family farm has actually purchased John Deere tractors from the Martin family, dating back to the 60s. I always grew up coming to the dealership, and my grandpa used to buy me toys, everything. Right after high school, I wanted to be a mechanic because my dad's a mechanic, and I decided to drop a resume off. And then I started in the parts department, and then about 8 months after that, I moved into the shop and started my apprenticeship. Transitioning from parts to service wasn't that hard for me because I always wanted to be a technician. I grew up watching my grandpa and my dad pull wrenches, and I always wanted to be a tech. So parts was just kind of a stepping stone to get my foot in the door and then move over and start my apprenticeship. So it was pretty easy, but it gave me a good idea of how the company works as a whole, right from parts to service. Some of the things I enjoy about being a technician are the kind of challenges that it brings. Like each job is a new challenge. You usually have to diagnose an issue to find the problem, and then you're building a quote for the customer and then fixing it. So it's a little bit of replacing parts, kind of a challenge, and I like the accomplishment of being able to fix something after diagnosing it, because sometimes you spend hours diagnosing. My typical day looks like I get here in the morning, turn on my laptop, I kind of check in with all the technicians on my side, so I make sure that they have work for the day, like if they have any issues that I can help them with. If they need work, we go to the board, I find work for them. Sometimes I help them move units in and out, help them like jump on and help them finish jobs if they need, diagnosing or doing some quality control. And then I kind of focus on my own job and yeah, just jump back into that. The atmosphere of the West End location has always been great ever since I started 12 years ago. I love coming to work. They're almost like going to see your buddies, right? So it's really enjoyable. Some advice that I'd give for starting technicians would be really focus on your work, not so much your time, but getting the task done properly. One thing that I was taught early on was don't rush through jobs because you usually miss stuff. Take your time, make sure you cross all your boxes. Some advice I'd give somebody that wants to start with Horizon probably be get a good resume, drop it off in person, because I think like personal interaction is definitely a way to drop off a resume. You get to shake a hand, meet someone, kind of tour the building, right? Definitely talk to somebody, and you got to enjoy what you're doing, so make sure that that's the career path that you want to take. The company has supported me in multiple ways, from sending me for my apprenticeship, letting me go to school and get the knowledge to work on different pieces of equipment. Also, I got to go in a service truck for 5 years and get that more customer interaction and the more diagnosing and just dealing with calls on the road and being a field technician. And now I am the lead hand in the shop, where I kind of help 10 other guys get work on jobs, make sure they all have work, and then also focus on my own work. My overall experience with Horizon has been amazing. Like, I've spent 12 years here. I plan on spending quite a few more years. I've gone from being a really green tech right off the farm to now being one of the senior techs here and helping young techs kind of form into that senior role. So overall, it's been a really good experience.